The WENZEL Shop Floor series can be used in the production environment as well as in classical quality assurance to measure parts both individually and in series. The intelligent and compact design is suitable for a wide range of shop floor applications, especially in the cutting and forming industry. The corrosion-free guides of the machine are made of granite and hand-lapped with high precision. The Shop Floor CMM has passive vibration damping and can optionally be equipped with active vibration isolation. The high accuracy of the SF55 is temperature stable over a wide range. All horizontal axes are covered. The footprint is only 1.6 square meters. It has a height-adjustable user panel for ergonomic use, and with the quick selection board in the software, it is very easy to operate by production workers. With these features, the WENZEL SF55 is perfectly prepared for shop floor area conditions. The WENZEL SF55 can be equipped with both tactile and optical sensors. For use in serial measurements, the machine can run in superfast mode. After measuring one part in standard speed, the following parts can be measured in superfast mode with nearly the same repeatability and be compared with the results of the first measurement. WENZEL Shop Floor Solutions. Robust, fast, ready for automation.